Hello, I'm Fabrizio Ferranti, Sales Manager of Univet Laser Safety Division. And today, I want to walk with you into the Univet world. Let's go. Univet, your eyes, our passion. Glasses were invented in Italy. In the 13th century, in Venice, the first magnifying lenses for reading were produced. Italy is the greatest producer of glasses in the world, with a share of 25%. And 25 years ago, Univet started the production of fashion and sports glasses for luxury brands. The lucky guess was to apply innovative design and care for details to safety glasses in the industry world. Style and quality, typical of luxury models, made Univet glasses unmistakable. Our chief designer, Fabio Borsani, designed some of the most bespoke models for luxury brands such as Louis Vuitton, Martin Margiela, and from his hands were born the first sport model of Zero RH+. All Univet glasses hold his signature. Univet style makes every pair of glasses into design icon. To testify this, Univet received over the years prestigious international awards. Univet has offices in 11 countries in the world. The headquarters is based in Brescia, Italy. And Univet has 5 business units: industrial safety, laser safety, magnification loupes, medical safety, augmented reality. Today, we are going to focus our attention to laser safety division. Thanks to high-quality patented technologies, material and coatings, Univet is able to provide a complete range of laser protection devices for the industrial, medical, and scientific fields. Laser unit frames are exclusive and recognizable for technology and design. A very low weight, complete stability, adjustable and user-friendly, multiple terminal settings, total adherence, patented device and material for high levels of protection. Univet is able to offer the best solution in terms of comfort and maximum fit through a careful study of ergonomics, allowing the operator to wear the protective goggles for many, many hours a day and work in complete comfort and efficiency. The laser light beam, whether direct or reflected on specular surfaces, is characterized by high power and strong directionality, leading to irreversible damage to the eyes if not properly protected. Its dangerousness required the use of suitable filters for each type of source, respecting the current regulation. Laser protection windows, made of plastic material or glass, are used as observation screens in machinery and industrial plants. Univet safety windows are certified in order to guarantee the required optical density and to keep the expected level of protection in case of exposure to laser radiation. Thanks to Univet R&D department and the latest production equipment, we aim to satisfy every customer needs. Whatever laser source and specific needs, Univet is able to offer the best solution in terms of technology, quality, protection, and comfort. A team of specialized technicians work in our R&D department, the pride and joy of our company. Expertise, perseverance, and determination are the fundamental qualities required for designing and creating highly innovative and technological products. The in-house design department creates each model to ensure lightness, total comfort, and maximum fit through a careful study of ergonomics. Our goal is to guarantee maximum protection to the operators without any compromise in terms of comfort and efficiency. In-house manufacturing and quality control on the entire supply chain transform into products the ideas developed by research and design. With high level of care and passion, we create a complete product line that perfectly meets the specific customer needs and the requirements of multiple applications. We create a culture of and awareness of personal safety and improve performance thanks to the proper tools. We want to offer the best diversification of the products, integrating ergonomics and efficiency, functionality and aesthetics, the best Italian design and the highest innovative level for eye safety. Univet, your eyes, our passion.